see if I can do this quickly. This is my park strip near my mailbox. It's mostly full of weeds and grasses that are undesirable. I'm going to be using one of these hoop hose to be able to, or stirrup hose, lots of different names for this, action hoe. All right, so simple tool, put it in, get it started. And it takes, well, in grass situations like this, it takes a small chunk of the sod away. Sorry for the handheld, but eventually that pulls up everything, and then we'll have this all cleared. And I'll run the material through the trommel to at least try and recover some of the dirt. Well, I've discovered the big reason why this is mostly weeds and not grass. Down here, this is lava rock, and there's lots of it. The further down you get, the more there is, and here's a different kind of weed, some kind of landscape fabric. Well, more work. So here we go. Material going into the trommel. You got the waste material coming out the end. We'll reprocess some of this grass material. Some of it comes out both ends, mostly because we have a near flat angle at the moment. We still have just temporary wiring at the moment, and we don't have a cover built up over the top of the trommel. But little by little, we're cleaning out the front bed, and then we'll run it through its paces with the big pile in the back. All right, the fast way to make holes for planting Uh-oh. Out of gas.
So the almost fast way.
Gassed up and ready to go again. And we're done. All right, so it's been a couple of weeks since we finished up planting. I have no water out here, so if I forget to water, some of the plants struggle a little. You can see, because we reused the dirt, we got a lot of weed seeds, but we'll take those out with the scuff hoe and scuff the ground up and knock those weeds out. But for the most part, things are looking pretty good. Sorry for the wind noise, but there you go. This took about 15 minutes to plant after drilling out those holes. So there we hacked our park strip, and now we have these interesting flowers. And it'll keep going. Hopefully it'll look really great next year. All right, that's all scuffed up. That took maybe a minute, maybe 5 minutes at most. And all those will die off now. These are real fast at knocking down short weeds like this. All right, have a good one, everyone. Remember to ask questions and try things.